What's the meaning of cross-cultural? Cross-cultural. Cross-cultural.
Cross-cultural. Cross-cultural. Cross-cultural refers to the interaction between people from different cultural backgrounds. It involves a comparison and understanding of different cultural values, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. Cross-cultural interactions can bring both benefits and challenges, as individuals may have different interpretations of the same situation or communication can be affected by language barriers. However, cross-cultural exchanges also offer opportunities for personal growth, learning, and collaboration. Overall, cross-cultural understanding promotes respect and empathy for diverse perspectives and enhances social and economic relationships between different regions of the world.